Okay, so on this type of question, we're going to start on the left side because we have more to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and just distribute this in here and then we'll simplify after. So this is going to be sine theta cotangent theta plus sine theta tan theta. So now we're going to replace the derived trig identities with what derives them, or with the equation that derives them, or expression that derives them. So this is going to be sine theta multiplied by cosine theta over sine theta plus sine theta multiplied by sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, so we're going to simplify. So let's go ahead and do some simplifying here. So this and this are going to cancel out, and we're going to end up with cosine theta plus sine squared theta over cosine theta. So now let's go ahead and do some math here. So this is going to be equal to cosine squared theta, then we have this right here, plus sine squared theta divided by cosine theta. This is going to be 1 over cosine theta, which is going to give you secant theta.